Hey class, you are about to start an exciting project. You'll publish your very own storybook. This is Ben. We'll watch him build his book step by step. But first, today's lesson. Today's lesson is about creating your dream adventure. Close your eyes. Imagine a door appears. Then step through into your dream adventure. Name your world. Is it a library of clouds, a forest of paper cranes, an underwater city of lanternfish, a mountain that hums, or something only you can imagine? Choose your main character. Give the character a trait that drives the story: brave, clever, curious, or kind. Add one companion or tool, like a pocket map that whispers, or a kite that tugs towards secrets. You could even create one rule that shapes this world. Maybe gravity zigzags, or colors can talk. Your rule will guide what's possible. Pick a goal your character must reach. Decide one clever move that your character does in the story to reach this goal. Zoom in on a wow moment. What do you see, hear, and feel? Add one line of dialogue to show emotion, like, "Wow, this place is amazing." Your turn to write. Map your story and create the adventure you've dreamed about. Ready? Let's begin. If you're ready to write your story, then now is the time. Gather all the planning you've done so far and get ready. Now, begin writing. You can draft a short summary of your story, or write your full story. There are 11 pages to fill. Write a little or a lot. Ask your teacher which option is best for you. Start by signing in to your Build My Story account. Your teacher will help you. Next, add your character name. Set your story settings, like how your images will look. Ben chooses 3D animation. Then, write your story. Type your full story or a short summary. Ask your teacher which option to choose. Now, build your character. Upload a drawing or a photo, or type a description to generate your character. When you click Continue, your book will build. Words appear, then pictures. On the storyboard, you can edit your text and try new images. You can even add more characters to your story too. When you're happy, open the flipbook and tell your teacher you're finished. What happens next? Your class books are prepared for professional printing. Then, we ship your books to your school as fast as we can. Watch for the delivery truck. Our driver brings the box to your teacher. If you don't get a printed book, don't worry. You still have your digital book to enjoy anytime. Time to celebrate. Ben is proud of his superhero book and is now a published author. And you can be a published author too. If you have questions, ask your teacher. Your instructions are on your desk or on the board. Now it's over to you. Pick your prompt, start your story, and you're on your way to becoming a published author.